Are you looking to start your own home-based business? Do you like the idea of firing your boss? Tired of the 8-to-5 grind with low pay? Does the COVID-19 have you down on income? Would working with your smartphone and laptop excite you? Would you like to build up a steady stream of passive monthly income? Would the thought of traveling the world using just your laptop or smartphone having financial freedom excite you? If you answered yes to most of these questions, I have some good news for you. First, to learn more about these opportunities, hit the subscribe button. Plus, the like button. Okay, I'm Russ Jones and I've made my living for the last 15 years just using my smartphone and laptop. I specialize in a niche market helping professionals build their business. I'm the creator of the ultimate selling system. Final Expense Millionaire course, Baby Boomer Millions Postcard Millionaire Formula 3-step postcard system. Sell while you sleep platform. That's enough about myself. I've spent over $100,000 on marketing courses, attending seminars and following business and marketing gurus for years. I could go into more detail, but that's enough about myself. After doing a ton of research on different business, I've determined that affiliate marketing is the best business to start. You don't have to have a website if you don't want it, you can work your own hours. The worldwide audience is available to you, no personal selling, no cold calling. You can start by posting articles and videos for free. Once you make some money, you can reinvest in paid ads. Now I would like to give you the top 5 business I've found that will help you build a passive income business. Some people may say these aren't the best, but the facts are the facts. Business number 1, start your own digital consulting agency. Yes, I know you may not know everything about Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Google AdSense. But you can learn it in 1 to 2 months. I have a complete course called Social Media Gold Course that can make you an expert studying just 20 minutes a day. Or you can go to YouTube and study every video on social media. Once you become proficient in social media, you can start charging $1,000 to $2,000 per month for your services. Business number 2, become an affiliate with ClickFunnels for designing sales funnels. You can get monthly income for every person you sign up. Currently, they have over 140,000 businesses, professional and online marketers using this software. They have a ton of training material to make you an expert. You can get a free 14-day trial at www.clickfunnelsguru.net. If you use my link to sign up, I have 15 pre-built funnels for a number of businesses I can give you. It will save you a lot of time building these sites. Business number 3, staying with ClickFunnels, you can charge $1,000 to $1,500 for every sales funnel you build for business owners, professionals, and people who don't have the time or knowledge to learn how to build their own sales funnel. Business number 4, do 2 to 5 minute promo videos for business owners, professionals, and other prospects. You can use ScreenFlow, Keynote, or PowerPoint. I like to use www.videoproreview.com. This video was done by this software. You can create stunning videos for you in just minutes. You can get a free test at www.videoproreview.com. You can charge clients $500 to $1,000 per video. Business number 5, you can start promoting products from clickbank.com. It's the largest place to find digital products to promote. Also, you can check out jvzoo.com and warriorsplus.com. Make sure if you promote any of these products you design an opt-in page or lead magnet where people give you their email address before sending them to an offer. Thus, you capture their email address and send them additional offers for many months to come. I hope this helps you in your quest to start your own home business. Again, here are several websites to check out: www.socialmedialeadsystem.com, www.clickfunnelsguru.net, www.videoproreview.com.